Let's look at simplifying this rational expression. We have x plus 9 divided by x plus 3 divided by, and then the quantity has a product in it. So let's do with what's in the parentheses first. Let's simplify it first. So we'll just copy the first rational expression and the operator division. Now, if I'm multiplying rational expressions, I multiply numerators, multiply denominators, divide out common factors. Well, let's go ahead and factor before we do any multiplying. So this first trinomial, you will notice, has a squared first term and a squared last term. 9 times 9 is 81. So that's a perfect square because that's x plus 9 quantity squared. X squared plus outside would be 9x, inside would be 9x, that adds to 18x, and then 9 times 9 is 81. In the denominator, I can take out a common factor of x, leaving x times x plus 3, times 3x divided by. Now I have a trinomial, and no, it's not a perfect square because 27 is not a perfect square. So we will try foiling. So we know we'll need x times x to get the x squared. Now for the 27, I need numbers that multiply to be 27 but add to be 12. Well, 3 times 9 is 27, and 3 plus 9 is 12. So there's my numbers. I'll put a plus 3 and a plus 9. Now check it mentally by foiling. X times x is x squared. Outside is 9x, inside is 3x. That gives me my 12x plus 27. Okay, now let's see what common factors we can divide out of numerator and denominator. I'll change pen colors to make it easier to follow me. So I have an x in common, so I'll divide x out of numerator and x out of denominator. I have an x plus 9 in the denominator and 2 of them in the numerator, so I can only divide out one of them. All right, let's rewrite the problem, see what it looks like without all my crossing out, so that I have the first term, x plus 9, divided by x plus 3, divided by, I still have a 3 and an x plus 9 in the numerator, and x plus 3 times x plus 3 is x plus 3 squared in the denominator. Okay, now I'm ready to use the division, or perform the division. If I am dividing rational expressions, I multiply by the reciprocal. So I put the x plus 3 squared in the numerator and the 3 times x plus 9 in the denominator. All right, now multiply. And again, I want to divide out common factors. So I can divide out an x plus 9, one in the numerator, one in the denominator, the x plus 3, and I can only divide out one factor of it. So now I'm left with equals x plus 3 divided by 3.